Hello everybody, in this video we're going to have a look at this Oxygen49 MIDI keyboard and try to solve the knob chatter. So let me show you what the knob chatter is. So if I twist this knob, as you can see there on the numbers, I managed to plug this in so that I can show you. After going to 24, it kind of does this. It's like a chatter, right? So what you need to do is buy a new pair of potentiometers. You can buy them from AliExpress. They look like this. Make sure you try to find the specific model, so with the 4 pins, and replace each of them. For replacing them, I will use a soldering iron and a pump like this. You just press it like this, melt the solder, and then pop it out. I'll link these in the video description so that you can have a look at them. I'll start removing this one because this is the one that currently has some chatter on it. And from there on, I'll need to play around with it a bit to see which of them still have that chatter. So yeah, this is the fix. You have to unscrew the keyboard, and I will now do the reverted process, in which I will just replace it and then put the keyboard back together and not show you how I actually disassembled it, but the process is very similar. So if you want to do this, you need a soldering iron. This is basically the wireless one I got, some pair of tweezers, some soldering paste, suction, and obviously a screwdriver, just a normal plus screwdriver.